Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this new napkin holder from Ikea. It's called Tillstallning, I guess. Tillstallning. So let's look at the some of the details, pictures. Okay, that's it. And then this the price. Okay, and then the description, and then product details, material and care. Okay, and then measurement, then packaging, okay, that's it. So I'll leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy, and let's unboxing it. Okay, so let's look at the yeah, the front details. Okay, you can see that. Okay, done. All right, so below. Okay, then behind, this napkin holder is like so nice. Let's see the color especially. Okay. Look at that. Oh my god, shiny. It's so nice. Only 23 ringgit. And then it nice goes with the napkin like this. With the 40 times 40. So you just from the center like that. Looks good already. So thank you very much for watching. This is the unboxing, Dior 4K unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.